Qigong, a venerable Chinese practice that harmonizes the mind, body, and spirit through gentle movements, deep breathing, and focused intention. Qigong boasts a rich history spanning millennia in China, where it has been deeply interwoven with traditional Chinese medicine, martial arts, and Taoist philosophy. Originating in ancient times, Qigong was cultivated by Taoist monks, martial artists, and scholars as a means of enhancing vitality, promoting health, and attaining spiritual enlightenment. At its essence, Qigong is guided by the fundamental principles of harmonizing the flow of Qi, the vital life force within the body. It seeks to balance the complementary forces of yin and yang and facilitate the unimpeded circulation of Qi through the body's intricate network of energy channels or meridians. By restoring harmony and equilibrium, Qigong aims to foster optimal health and well-being. Qigong encompasses a diverse array of techniques, each meticulously designed to cultivate vitality and foster inner harmony. Practitioners engage in gentle, flowing movements characterized by grace and fluidity, synchronized with deep diaphragmatic breathing to enhance the circulation of Qi. Additionally, mental focus, visualization, and meditation are integral components, guiding the flow of Qi and fostering profound states of relaxation and tranquility. The myriad health benefits attributed to Qigong are substantiated by both ancient wisdom and modern scientific inquiry. Qigong has been demonstrated to effectively reduce stress and anxiety, bolster immune function, improve cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure and enhancing circulation, alleviate chronic pain conditions, facilitate restorative sleep, foster mental well-being by reducing symptoms of depression, and augment energy levels and vitality. Moreover, Qigong serves as a valuable adjunctive therapy for individuals grappling with chronic health ailments, offering relief and promoting overall wellness. Across the globe, a diverse tapestry of Qigong styles and variations flourishes, each imbued with its unique flavor and emphasis. Medical Qigong, with its therapeutic focus, harnesses the power of Qi to address specific health concerns and promote healing. Martial arts Qigong, exemplified by Tai Chi, integrates martial applications with graceful movements and internal energy cultivation. Spiritual Qigong, steeped in esoteric wisdom, facilitates spiritual growth and self-realization. Despite their diversity, these styles share a common lineage and commitment to harnessing the transformative potential of Qi. Qigong is accessible to individuals of all ages and fitness levels, offering a pathway to enhanced vitality and well-being. Whether practiced individually or in communal settings, the guidance of a seasoned instructor can illuminate the nuances of Qigong practice, ensuring proper technique and alignment. Remember, Qigong is a practice, not a performance. Listen to your body, move at your own pace, and enjoy the journey of self-discovery and healing. Thank you for watching our beginner's guide to Qigong. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and practices.